Mamma mia.
Damn you!
Please! No! Hi, guys!
Doesn't anybody know how to tie a knot?
What is going on here?
What is going on?
What the hell are you doing? Hey, overalls. Gentlemen, what the hell is that?
What coward is still not ready to fight? Did you reach for heavy to kill you?
You are trying my patience.
Hey, orphan, old buddy, old pal. How you doing? What's wrong? What are you screaming at?
What's going on over here?
You guys just shut the up, please.
Excuse me, guys, but would you be able to please keep the tone down a little bit? What's wrong? What are you screaming at? Leave me alone!
No, you don't.
Leave me alone!
No, you don't.
Leave me alone! See you later, sucker! Stinky bum poopy!
Watch out! You're gonna get.
My God, you are stupid.
Hello.
Hello, motherfucker. Hi there. I'm Adam. What's up? Well, all right then.
Oh, forgiven. Oh, well, it is Christmas after all. Everybody's here. Let's celebrate.
I'm surrounded by heart attack. Oh, hey, I can do that too.
What is wrong with you?
Get the out of here. I'm surrounded by
Yup, marshmallows.
Get out!
Really good, Mum. I'm giving away a lot, and they are loving the chocolate.
But sir! Daughter! Damn it! Are you airdropping me? Sorry, sir. Give me your phone and go to the principal's office. But sir!
WTF did I just watch?